Looking for the best drone with 4K camera to capture mind-blowing aerial footage without breaking the bank? I unboxed, charged, and flew 5 top-rated models. Let's see how they handle real wind and which one deserves a spot in your backpack. Product number 1. DJI Mini 4K. When I first picked up this ultra-lightweight aircraft, it felt almost weightless in my palm, sliding straight into my jacket pocket. Launching it for the very first time, I was shocked by how stably it hovered, even when a sudden breeze picked up at the beach. The 3-axis mechanical stabilization system worked flawlessly during my testing, keeping my landscape videos perfectly level and buttery smooth. I managed to get around 30 minutes of flight time out of a single battery charge, which gave me plenty of room to explore the coastline safely. The transmission range stayed crisp and clear without any signal drops on my phone screen. If you are a beginner looking to get pristine aerial shots without registering your gear, this entry-level quadcopter is a beautiful choice. Now, if you want that exact same flight experience, bundled up with tons of extra goodies from the very start, listen.
Product number 2. DJI Mini 4K Camera Drone Combo. Opening this box felt like Christmas because it packed 3 separate smart batteries, a multi-charging hub, and a durable shoulder bag. When I carried this bundle out to the local park, I noticed how convenient it was to have all my extra gear neatly organized in one spot. During my real-world performance testing, having those extra power packs allowed me to stay in the air for over an hour and a half without driving back home to plug into a wall. The extra propellers included gave me peace of mind when flying near tree branches. If you plan on taking long day trips or shooting extensive vlogging content without constantly worrying about your power status, this comprehensive gear package is completely worth the extra investment. However, if you want to save serious cash and explore a lesser-known alternative with advanced satellite tracking built right inside the system, watch this next.
Product number 3. Oddire Drones with Camera for Adults 4K. When I held this unit, the robust matte plastic housing felt surprisingly rugged and ready for some serious outdoor action. During my flight testing, the automatic return feature worked perfectly every single time the battery dipped too low, bringing the aircraft right back to my exact takeoff spot without any input. I experimented with the waypoint flight mode, drawing a custom path on my smartphone screen, and watched the device follow the route flawlessly while capturing smooth video clips. The intelligent GPS locking keeps it completely stable in mid-air, making it incredibly simple to frame shots without drifting around. If you're a beginner on a strict budget who wants high-end navigation features without paying premium brand prices, this value-focused flyer is a fantastic entry point. Next, if you are ready to step up to professional-grade image quality with a dedicated remote viewing screen built right in, check this out.
Product number 4. DJI Mini 3 DJI RC. Unboxing this setup, holding the premium remote controller with its gorgeous built-in display felt incredibly satisfying compared to using a smartphone. When I launched the aircraft, my favorite part was the true vertical shooting mode, which mechanically rotates the camera sensor to capture perfect social media clips without losing resolution. During my sunset testing, the larger image sensor delivered spectacular low-light performance with rich colors and minimal grain in the shadows. The mechanical gimbal effortlessly handled aggressive maneuvers while keeping the horizon completely straight. With over 38 minutes of real flight time per pack, I never felt rushed while framing up complex cinematic movements. If you are a content creator looking to produce stunning, platform-ready videos with maximum physical convenience, this display-bundled system is an elite choice. Finally, if you want something radically smaller that can fly completely autonomously without any joystick controller at all, look at our last pick. Product number 5. DJI Neo. When I placed this microscopic device directly onto my open palm, its feather-light build felt absolutely mind-boggling. I tapped a button on top, and it took off directly from my hand, tracking my movements using built-in AI intelligence without requiring a separate remote. During my testing, it followed me seamlessly around tight backyard corners, keeping me perfectly centered in the frame while recording incredibly stable ultra-high-definition video. The full coverage propeller guards gave me absolute confidence when operating it close to myself or indoors. It acts like a personal, automated camera crew that fits right inside a small pocket. If you are a solo vlogger or casual creator who wants effortless, controller-free tracking shots for quick social media updates, this self-flying device is an absolute stellar pick for your production toolkit. It wraps up our entire list by providing the ultimate level of automated portability for anyone out on the move.
Every option here offers great price compatibility depending on your production needs. Grab the self-flying device for cheap, effortless tracking, or the screen bundle if you want a premium professional rig. Check the description links to buy yours today.